Welcome back to another Red Wiggler Wednesday. It's December the 4th, 2019. It's been 1 year and 18 weeks since we got started with the Red Wigglers. Usually we start out with the Worm Factory 360, but today we're going to start out with the Vermibag Minimalist. It's been about just over 2 weeks since we got started. And look at there, how much that's fallen down. And there's a good 4 or 5 inches that's dropped since we got started with it. Got some beautiful castings on top. Last week we put a piece of pumpkin right here in the middle. And all that's left is seeds. A bunch of red wigglers and castings. So that's all that's left. A little bit of skin. Some seeds. So we're going to have to feed these guys again. Lots of red wigglers. So I'm sure this will drop some more, but I'm really impressed in how much it's dropped. Move over to the horizontal migration. Of course, this is all of our castings. We're trying to bait the worms out into this over here. And it don't look like there's many in here since we took that pumpkin out last week. Well, actually, I haven't seen a worm yet. Interesting. Definitely going to have to put some food in there. Kind of fluff this up. Make sure still got some worms in here. Yep, there's one right there. Little bitty. Another there. So we'll put some food in here as well. And on to the Worm Factory 360. We got this top tray we've been trying to get them to migrate out of. Still got worms even though it's getting dry. And our middle tray that we've been feeding in. Put a piece of pumpkin in last time here. And it's gone. Just some seeds and some skin. And that is it. A few little worms in there. Alright, moisture feels great. And we hadn't looked at the bottom tray in a while, so let's take a look at it. It's looking good. Castings are nice and flaky. Not too much moisture. There's still some worms. Finishing what's left. And the underneath is dry. Alright, Mom. Give them a different kind of treat this week. I've got a banana peel. I'll put that in the Worm Factory 360. That middle tray. Migration bin, I've got a half a banana. It's been bad and frozen. I'm going to stick that down in here. See what happens with that. And the Minimalist, I've got a couple of bad bananas. I'm going to put them right on top, right in the middle. And I'm going to add a couple inches of cardboard. That is dry. We'll see what happens with that. See what kind of moisture that soaks up. see what it does.
So no worm balls this week. Hopefully with those bananas, we'll have some next week. Please hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.